Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a Christmas village cake. I've had this idea in the back of my mind for a really long time, but I wasn't sure quite how I wanted to make it, so I kind of put it off for a while, but I decided it was time. So let's get started.
I made the village out of these store-bought cookies. They're called Spekulatius and are very popular around Christmas time. I decided this would be an easy way to make my Christmas village without having to make the cookies myself. I decorated them with royal icing, giving them different looks of townhouse kind of houses. Then I frosted 2 tiers of cake dummies, a 6-inch and a 4-inch with vegan American buttercream. I wasn't too worried about smoothing the frosting perfectly because I knew the cookies would be able to cover any flaws, which is why I kept going even with this lumpy buttercream. Then I started pressing the cookies into the side of the cake. I ran out of cookies at one point and had to decorate some more. Next, I unwrapped a whole bunch of candy canes and pressed them between the houses on the side of the cake. If a cookie was no longer able to stick to the side, I added some royal icing to the back to help it stick. Then I added some royal icing to the top and sprinkled on some blue and silver sprinkles. This is such a simple yet gorgeous Christmas cake. It just makes my heart happy. Merry Christmas! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.